Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to teach you how to make your own DIY pop card. So let's get started. To make this DIY, you're going to need some pieces of colored paper, and you want to cut these pieces of paper into small squares. And now take your square and fold it in half and do that again. And now you should end up with a smaller square. Now take that smaller square and use the flaps and fold them again. Fold the flaps this way. I folded this flap and now I'm going to fold the other flap. Just like that. And you want to make sure the flaps are nice and neat. Now take that piece that you have made and make a circular line around it and go ahead and cut it with some scissors. Once you have it cut it, open it up and you'll end up with a flower. Now you want to take some sort of markers and create a design on it. You want these designs to pop out. Now take the flower that you have made and cut out one of the petals. Just like how I'm doing. Once your petal is cut out, you're going to apply on glue on one of the petals and stick it like this. Like that. Now we have that flower done and you just want to make a couple more of them. Now you're going to take one of the flowers, fold it in half, and then put glue on two sides like I'm doing over here. And you only want the glue on the top of the petal, not on the whole petal, otherwise the flower isn't going to open up. And now just add glue on the other side and stick on a flower like we did before. Like that. And now what you're going to do is add on glue to the center 3 petals, the ones that I've just marked right now. And remember, the glue only goes at the top of the flower, not the whole flower. Now I've added the glue and now I'm going to stick on the other flower. Like that. And now you're going to add glue to these 2 petals, 2 on this side and 2 on that side. I couldn't explain this well, so just look at the video. And you want to leave the center and the 2 sides at the bottom. And then add your 2 flowers just like that. And the center petal should not be covered up. And now what you're going to do is add glue to the center petal and the 2 petals beside it. And remember, the glue should only go at the top of the flower, not the whole petal. And then add the glue and stick on the flower and push it. And now you're going to go ahead and make some leaves. And you're going to stick them on using some glue. Just like I'm doing over here. Like that. And I'm just going to push it. And now you're going to take a piece of paper and color it in with any sort of color to make the paper pop. And then I've went ahead and marked where I want to place my flower. So I'm just going to take that marking and place my flower there and add glue according to what petal ends up there. And the petal should be the middle one. So add glue all over to the middle petal like I'm doing over here. And don't add glue to any other petals. And you can cover up this petal up entirely with glue. And just take that petal and stick it on to where you placed your dot. And now what you're going to do is just add glue on the same petal but on the other side. Like I'm doing over here. And put the paper on top and push it in. Like that. And now I'm just going to open up this flower and show you how it looks. Doesn't it look nice? And we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Bye.